today, Diggo left me in charge of feeding the pigs, the chickens, and the guard dog here. So I'm feeding them 1.5 little buckets, little flower pots of this grain right here. Give the dog some rice and leftover chicken, and the chickens kind of eat whatever's left after the dog gets done. As you can see, there are hungry pigs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. Woo! So they actually have a pretty neat mechanism over here. Let's see if you can see it. This is their water spout. All they have to do is put their mouth up to it, and it's connected to a motorized tank in the... What's up, Katut? How are you? I'm feeding the pigs today. It's connected to the water bucket here. Going to wash out the pig pen back there. He's doing the dirty job. Rusak. There we go. What you doing?
Oh, making media ceremony.
Upacara.
Asakan.
Upacara. Untuk upacara.
Huh?
Untuk upacara the
Yeah.
roof.
Ceremony.
Okay.
10 in Juli.
Ke
Tanggal 10 Juli.
13 Juli, ya.
10.
10
10.
Just 1 hari.
1 hari and tomorrow ngeroras. Berlanjut.
Okay. Berjalan?
Ya.
Oh, on the shoulder.
See.
Berapa orang?
Oh, many
The whole village?
many pribadi. Ya.
Bisa?
Bisa.
Ya? 10 Juli.
10 Juli.
Thank you, Pak. I just come to memberi makanan untuk babi
Ya.
saya.
Oh ya.
Ya, dan anjing.
Thank you.
No, tidak apa-apa.
Mama, she said, gotta keep him close to you. Gotta keep him close to you. You might be alright. Mama, she said, gotta keep him close to you. Gotta keep him close to you.
Beautiful out here.
You might be alright.